How to use the Brompton Transport bag for G-Line. The Brompton Transport bag for G-Line is a packable bag for carrying your bike in. For easy storing when riding your bike, the bag folds into a small pouch so that you can attach it to the saddle with the built-in straps. To fit to your saddle, feed the straps through the loops underneath the saddle, then secure with the Velcro ends. The lower strap secures to the seat post, keeping the pouch stable when riding. How to open the bag. Unroll the cover. Open the zip and unfold the front flap to fully access the inside of the bag. You will notice that the base of the bag is made of thicker and more durable material. This is the area that will have to be in contact with the floor. How to place the bike inside the bag. Place your folded G-line inside the bag with the front wheel towards the front of the bag. There are two straps to hold the bike in place while carrying it. One secures to the main frame, where the Brompton logo is, and the other one secures to the handlebar support. There are also two reinforced sections inside the bag that offer protection from pedals and hinges. Fold the bag flap towards the back and close it by using the zip. Your bike is now securely stored inside its bag. The transport bag is easy to carry with the adjustable shoulder strap. The zip also allows you to access the saddle if you prefer to carry the bike this way. How to remove the bike and put the bag away. To access the bike, open the zip. Undo the straps that hold your Brompton in place and remove the bike from the bag. Lay the cover out flat and close the zip. Fold the base panel over the cover. Fold the base panel in half, then continue to fold in half till the top. Roll tightly from the bottom to the top. You should end up with a tube that fits perfectly in the pouch. Secure it by tightening the drawstring.